Hey everyone, Attorney Matthew Legan Sanchez here. Since COVID hit, the courthouses can be described with 3 C's: closures, continuances, and more continuances. You know, the courts at first, they were really thrown off track and they were reeling. They didn't know how to handle COVID, similar to most people in America. And at first, some courts in New Mexico would have a game on mentality, and other courts in New Mexico were really scared about COVID. So there was a lot of continuances, there was closures, and cases were getting pushed out for months. Sometimes I've been seeing it for 6 months or more. You should expect long delays. You should expect your case to probably get continued now that it's the holiday season. And if it's a non-emergency, you should expect to probably have to try to work it out on your own or to work it out through a mediation or settlement facilitation before the judge will hear it. Now, as a prediction, I think you also should expect most of the cases to be handled by phone in the future. I think the judges, they're going to get really familiarized with handling it by phone, and more they're going to want to handle these issues by phone. So court clinics open. They opened on October 1st, and they're handling mediations again by phone. They're also doing consultations, but only scheduled consultations, where they're basically going to interview the children, they're going to speak with the parents, and then they'll make recommendations to the judge. But you probably should expect long delays for the hearing to be held. Court Clinic is a service provided in Albuquerque that provides mediation and it provides consultations. Now, the mediation, they'll try to help you reach a resolution for an uncontested divorce or for an agreement. Now, with the consultation, a facilitator is going to interview you, the children. They're going to get to the bottom of all the issues, and then they're going to make recommendations to the judge. Now, this is really important because the judge, in most cases, they hear 2 sides of the story. They hear one parent say one thing, and then they hear the other parent say the other thing. And through the consultation, they're able to review all the evidence, and then they'll make a recommendation to the judge so the judge knows exactly what's going on. I expect long delays. I expect non-emergency cases to not get set at all in some situations. They're going to be sending you more and more to settlement facilitation to try to resolve this on their own because the court is overwhelmed. The court has a lot of cases on the docket that have piled up. There's a lot of emergencies that need to be handled first. And the court is basically telling people, if you have a small COVID-related issue, you first need to deal with this through a settlement facilitator or try to work it out on your own because we have a lot of emergencies that we're handling right now. If you have any questions, then call me. Call Matthew Legan Sanchez at 505 Sanchez.